Hello guys, this is Anshari and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to use nav and dual and ally tag. Okay, so basically these tags is used for make a bullet. Like I'm going to open my folder, uh, HTML folder, and open with code. And I will click open with code. Okay, what's the problem? Oh, after that, I will close this 5.html and then I will make 6.html. Okay, and after that I will write my basic code. HTML add title, and this is project 6. Okay, and after that I will write there dev. Okay, and dual and ally. After that I will open this document. Sorry, Chrome HTML document, and then now this is blank, and I will write there hello, hello, and again hello, and save, and there I will refresh it. So you can see there are some bullets. Okay, so you know how to use these. Okay, and in depth I will open new tab, and there I will write nav HTML or your ally HTML. Okay, and there you can see they're also made coffee, tea, and milk in bullets. Okay, and yeah, browser support in Chrome, yes. Microsoft Edge, yes. Firefox, yes. And this one, Opera. Okay, and yeah, the most important thing, set the different list style tabs with CSS. But this is HTML tutorial, so I will not tell this. Okay, so that's it guys. If you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.